Yeah, what's good, y'all? Big Fish FX, another video. I want to break something down real quick with you guys. First and foremost, happy holiday. It's the 4th of July when I'm posting this, and just pretty much kind of just wanted to upload something. I haven't uploaded a video in a while. Been extra busy, but at the same time, I just wanted to, just give y'all a few gems. So, this is AUDJPY, right? So now you see the title of the video. Basically, it doesn't matter how much money you have in your account, you can always run it up. You could drop $10 in your account and run that up. You can have $5, $6 and run that up. You can use your remainder of whatever you withdrawn from your Forex broker account. Like I had after I withdrawn some money from my account, I had like $6 left, right? I left that as like change. And I just went ahead and played it. I played it and let's see exactly what happened with it, right? So so this AUDJPY. The play that I'm about to show is what took place before the drop here. And my thought process when I took the trade for 100 pip, pretty much 100 pip. Yeah, I think I took it, let me see, to the trade like around here. Took it all the way down. So 100 or so pips in one day. So basically I was hawking it. I was waiting for it to drop for the longest time. Now, how did I know it was going to drop? So I was waiting for it to drop since 27. Let's say like around here, right? So it's been playing around, doing this consolidation. So now if you look at this, there's a few things that sticks out, right? So if you go to the higher time frame, you notice a lot of things are clear here. You notice it's an uptrend. I see a lot of things going on here. Let me just run through them. Boom. You have the high, come back into the zone. So we have a manipulation that happened. And then we also have we have a clean pattern here, which I laid out in our group meeting. And then not only that, if we zoom in and go more into detail everything, you could even use a fib to do that. Retracement right off the OTE, 61 point. Nice clean retracement, right? So from there, you would think that it would pretty much start shooting down, but that's not what it did. So I just pretty much hawked it. You can do something like this. See, this is a point that it came back into. You could draw a trend line if that's what you do. And in the bottom, notice how it hit 1, 2, and 3 times. So we have nothing but liquidity being built at the bottom. So we have liquidity sitting all the way down here. So at some point it has to come down here. And then now we have also that became a nice formation, a nice triangular formation. So now if we run it, notice that it respected all the zones, right? Right, so it respected all the zones, and it's still going. So it respected all the zones, right? So now this is where it gets good. So you have to understand, you have to play with time frame correlation. A lot of people only trade on one time frame or whatever. I look at everything to get a bird's eye view and a God's view on the entire chart. I know where I'm at all times of the chart. So not only was this a completed harmonic based on the measurements, and then it's coming down as a retracement for the sell. If we take a look and we zoom into here, this is also a harmonic sitting in here. This is a nice little Gartley, I believe. Nice little Gartley sitting in here. So it came down, and then from there, this was an easy entry point, because now you could draw the fib, and then when you draw that fib, you have a nice order block sitting right there on the 61.8, and boom, entry point 1, entry point 2, right on the 23, which is usually the speed bump when it comes to Fibonacci. It always plays around the 23 zone before it actually does something. So that was pretty much how I broke it down. It was pretty simple. If we go down to a lower time frame, you can see how the entries were pretty clean in terms of being rejected off this order block in this lower consolidation zone. Look at this wick back into the zone, so it breached manipulation. Wick came back into the zone, did its little consolidation, manipulated the bottom, grabbed liquidity, ran back up, back to the top, never broke that high, respected again. You could have drew a fib right here, boom, got back in, a nice clean entry on the 61.8, boom, just like that, and run that down. So it's all intricate and surgical. You have to, the way you have to look at the market is every time frame, and pretty much everything that's going on in the market is hold on, what the hell just happened? But everything that goes on in the market, yeah, my bad. But everything that goes on in the market, everything is fractal. So higher time frame, lower time frame, everything. So you have to see that, and you have to be able to pinpoint what's going on all the time on every time frame. So this nice harmonic, I did not trade this going up. I did trade it coming down, but I didn't trade it going up. So now what took place when I took this trade, I was just playing with the smaller account that I had, that I was playing with, right? So now let me show you. $6.88 to $92.99. Easy. Because it just shot down. And I had sell stops already waiting for it, because I knew that was going to happen as it was consolidating like that. So that was easy. And this is just to show it's a live account, whatever. And then, like I said, I took the other trade. Remember I said I took the other trade. This is the other trade. Why I stacked 0.25, 0.25. I was just stacking them as it dropped, and I TP'd all at the same zone. So now that's here. This is what happened here. This was here. Why I took this trade and I ran it down. So, you know, this is I don't know, man. It's just beautiful. So, yeah. When people say, you know, you need all kind of money, whatever, to start trading, you really don't. You just need to know what you're doing. It's all about being skilled, you know, skillful, your skills, and knowing what you're doing and being patient. So that's about it for right now. You guys have a happy holiday, or if you're celebrating or whatever you're doing. And have a nice day. Course is available. Link is in the description. It's the full entire course. So it's like first installment, second installment. So it's the tools, you know, the concepts that's needed, and also learning how to swing and scout with all of the concepts and confluences that'll be applied. Beyond that, that's about it. And one-on-one sessions, you can kind of schedule those too. But yeah, big fish. Let's get it, y'all.